Hello friendlies, and welcome to part 14 of my Demon Hunter video series. Today's worklog focuses pretty much on metallics. Achieving my ideal metallic paint takes some time and effort, hence why it takes up most of this week's worklog. You can see here I decide pretty quickly that I need to change brushes. Much better. It took 2 coats of gold to achieve a nice solid base, and now my challenge is to get it to match the mask I painted earlier. Paint matching is hard when you end up mixing colors on the spot, and it took some trial and error and patience to feel like I came close. One of my main concerns was making sure I added a lot of depth to my piece, because just a single color of shiny metallic paint can actually look pretty flat, and my mask looks so dimensional I really wanted to carry that over into the bracers. Similar to the mask, I use a mix of browns and reds to add depth to the gold. With just a little bit of work, you can see the vast difference between the 2 bracers. And here are both with some reddish-brown depth. I wasn't entirely satisfied with how the bracers looked in comparison to the mask, so I decided to add a brown wash to more of the gold paint. I then touched up the midpoints of the bracers with more of the straight gold paint, just to bring it forward a little more. The last bit I'll touch on today is painting the bony spikes. I had the base coat of white earlier, but I'm doing a light brown gradient from the base of the bone and keeping it white at the very tip. I have to move the piece around a lot since the bone part is round, so it's not the easiest to film. I hope you enjoyed this worklog. Are you guys working on any projects currently? Let me know in the comments below, or feel free to ask any questions also. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!